In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect a Namecheap domain to Canva, so your Canva website can be viewed on your own custom web address. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to type, and how to make sure everything is set up correctly. To start, make sure you have your website design open in Canva. This could be a simple landing page, a portfolio, or a full multi-page site. Once your design is ready, look towards the top right corner of the Canva editor and find the option to publish or share your website. Click on Publish Website. This is the button that turns your design into a live, accessible site on the internet. When the publishing options appear, you'll see different ways to make your site live. Here, you want to connect your own domain instead of using a generic Canva link. Choose the option that says Use a custom domain, then click Continue. This tells Canva that you want visitors to reach your site using a domain you already own, rather than a temporary or free URL. Next, Canva will ask for the domain name you want to use. Type your domain name without the www at the beginning. For example, if your full domain is www.example.com, you should enter example.com. Leaving off the www is important because Canva will handle that part for you with the DNS settings it generates. Double check what you type to avoid mistakes because even a small typo can prevent your site from working later. After you enter your domain and confirm, Canva will generate a list of DNS records. These are small pieces of information that tell the internet where your website is hosted. You might see records such as SNAME or A records. Canva will display exactly what you need, including the host or name, the type of record, and the value or target. Keep this page open or take a screenshot because you'll need to copy these details into your Namecheap account. Now, switch over to Namecheap in your browser and log into your account. Go to your domain list and select the domain you just entered in Canva. Find the section where you can manage DNS or advanced DNS. This is where you'll be adding the new records that Canva showed you. For each DNS record Canva listed, create a matching record in Namecheap. Make sure the type, host, and value all match exactly what Canva provided. If you see old records in Namecheap that conflict with the Canva settings, like an existing A record or SNAME for the same host, you may need to delete or replace them so there's no confusion. Accuracy matters here, so take your time copying and pasting to avoid extra spaces or typos. Once you've added all the DNS records into Namecheap and saved your changes, return to Canva. There will usually be an option to continue or verify your domain. Click that and Canva will begin checking the DNS settings you just added. Keep in mind, DNS changes can take some time to update across the internet. It might be ready within a few minutes or it could take a couple of hours. After the records have fully propagated, your Canva site will be live on your Namecheap domain and visitors will see your Canva website whenever they enter your custom URL.